Hey guys, welcome to CrazyTech. If you are looking for the best budget power bank under 1000 rupees, this is the video for you. The power bank is from MI. The model is MI Power Bank 2i, which is priced around 899 rupees. It's a lithium polymer battery based power bank which is great to be lightweight, slim, better efficient than lithium ion based power banks. I'm really surprised the way MI did the color and finishing of this power bank. Build is very premium. This power bank doesn't have flashlights, so you need to be aware of that. Now let's talk about the performance. I have Lenovo K8 Plus, which has 4000 mAh battery, and this power bank can easily charge it twice. Also, the charging speed is amazing. I can charge my phone quicker than my default smartphone AC charger because its output is high at 2.5 amps, same as 15-watt charger, which is the best part of this power bank. Also, this power bank doesn't take long time to charge itself. It will take around 5 hours to charge itself, which is not bad. And all these things you are getting at just rupees 899, which is great deal. Just get it, you won't regret for sure. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe if you really like this video. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a great day.